Hello everyone. In this video, we will write our very first Python program, the Hello World program, and understand two important ways of running Python code, interactive mode and script mode. First, let's talk about Python interactive mode, which is also known as REPL. REPL stands for Read, Evaluate, Print and Loop. In this mode, we write code line by line and see the output immediately over the screen. Now I'm opening the terminal window and typing the Python word. When you see the triple forward symbol, it means Python interactive mode is now active. Now let's write our first Python statement. I'm typing print in single round bracket double quote with hello world and then pressing the enter key. As you can see, the output appear immediately. This instant feedback is biggest advantage of the interactive mode. Interactive mode is pretty good for quick testing, but for real application and larger programs, we normally use the script mode. In script mode, we write our code inside a .py file and then execute that file. Now I'm opening PyCharm IDE and creating a new file called hello.py. In Python, all Python scripts use the .py extension. Inside this file, I'm writing print in single round brackets double quote hello world. This is the same code that we used in interactive mode as well. Now to run this file, I will open the terminal and type python hello.py and then press the enter key. In the output, you can see hello world is printed, which means our Python script executed successfully. In Python, comments are written using hash symbol. Comments are not executed by Python, they are only for humans. Comments are very important for understanding and maintaining the code, especially in the large-scale projects. In today's video, we wrote our very first Python program and also understood interactive mode versus script mode and learn about comments as well. In the next video, we will explore Python interpreter in more detail. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Stay tuned for more Python tutorial. See you in the next video.